So by now you should have downloaded the Google Authenticator app and the Binance app. So if we go to the Binance app and we open our Binance app up, it should look something like that. Then we want to sign up with a new account. So for a new account, if we go at the bottom down here to account, and then at the top here by login or register. Now we haven't already got an account, so we are going to register. Now with this here, we need to fill in our details, including the referral ID. Then when you've filled in your details, your address, you've put in your password, don't forget the referral ID, and then you have to click here to the I agree Binance's terms of use, and then we simply click register. Intelligent verification process will occur. Now we need to slide this little jigsaw puzzle into that space, and didn't do it right. Let's try again. Okay. Then they will send you a verification email to prove you are who you are. You have down that and you have got the coding in. You've gone to your email, you've typed in your reference code, you automatically get sent to this page here. Now the next step that you want to do before we can actually use this account is we need to do our security. So the security, and we've already downloaded Google Authenticator, so we go to Google Authenticator, and the next, please save this key on paper. So we need to save that key, and we copy, so then we go next, and then we go paste, because we've copied it down. We're very diligent people, you know, we're not just copy and pasting, but we've actually written it down the way it is on a bit of paper. Then we go next. You'll need to add a Binance account in your Google Authenticator app and manually add the 16-digit key. And we have instructions how to do that. Manual entry, account, key. So let's have a go at doing that. We need to go to our Google Authenticator. Now, finding our Google Authenticator app, there we go. Begin. To add an account, we can scan the barcode or enter a key. We'll enter a key. Our key, as we saw, and the account name is Binance. We have several Binance accounts. Binance. Auto spell, it's a nightmare. So we go to Binance. Then we want to have it as we have several accounts, so to tell the difference between the accounts, we'll call it Binance Resistance Pandemic, so we know what it is. And it is time based, so we'll add that. Our secret has been saved. So now we have here account being added 191512. So that is our number here. Now let's see the circles change. We've now got a new code in 60 seconds. So if we hold this down, it will have copied it. Then we obviously want to put that in there. And we've got to type in our password there before the time runs out. Okay, next, down. success, and we are in. Now that is how you use Binance app. You get, well, that's how you download the Binance app, and it is there now, ready to go and ready to be funded. Now with this, obviously with funds, we go to our funds, we have nothing in our account, so we would need to be depositing cash into our account, and it will take any of these cryptocurrencies. But that's all for today. We've got the account set up, we've got the Google Authenticator set up, and we'll take it from there in another episode. Thank you for watching.